Our spine is our body's primary weight-bearing beam. It houses our central nervous system and so much more. We often take it for granted, but when we get a backache, it's impossible to ignore. For spine and back health, we need to move our spine 5 ways every day, and also make sure that the muscles on either side of the spine stay flexible. Alignment is key. In this practice, we'll do some important exercises to keep our spine limber. Hold your knees and circle your stomach counterclockwise. Imagine you're in a huge bowl and you're polishing the sides of it with your navel. This warms up the lower spine. And go the other way. Reverse. Create heat in your lower spine. Core support is a key component of a healthy back. Now inhale center, relax the breath, and meditate for a moment. Backs of your wrists to the knees, index fingers and thumb tips meeting. Breathe long and light through your nose. Let your eyes be closed. Now hold your shins halfway between your ankles and knees. If you're not able to sit cross-legged, sit on the edge of a sofa or a chair. We're going to flex our spine. Inhale forward and exhale back. Breathe through your nose both ways. As you inhale, you're arching your lower spine forward, and as you exhale, you're rounding it back. Find a rhythm that's right for you. Move smoothly. Breathe all the way to the bottom of your lungs. And exhale completely as well. Now inhale deeply, come center, and relax and meditate. Breathe long and light through your nose. As you inhale, think the sound sat. And as you exhale, think the sound nam. That means the true you. It will help you de-stress and self-bless. Now have your left hand beside you on the floor. Inhale your right arm up and exhale over. Inhale up and go the other way and exhale over. Inhale up, stretch, and exhale over. Inhale, lengthen up, and exhale over. Lengthen the distance between your ribs. Go slow. Let the movement follow the breath. center, raise both arms up, stretch, and relax and meditate. Have your legs in front of you and meditate some more. And sit cross-legged. We're going to do what we call washing machine. Have your hands on your shoulders, fingers in front, thumbs in back. We're going to inhale as we twist left and exhale as we twist right. And keep going. Inhale left and exhale right. Spiral up out of your hips. Put yourself on spin cycle. Inhale, center, and relax and meditate. In Kundalini Yoga, we combine dynamic activity and deep rest to create a powerful balance. Lie on your back. Inhale, raise your arms above you. Exhale as you draw your right knee in and raise your head. Inhale, arms above you. Exhale, draw your left knee in as you raise your head. And keep going. Inhaling down, exhaling as you raise your head and knee. Now have both arms above you on the floor. Inhale and stretch. And relax. Hold your knees and rock and roll. And come up and come onto your stomach. Have your hands beneath your shoulders as if you're going to do a push-up. And now inhale, rise up into Cobra. And exhale down. Make sure your hips stay on the floor. You don't need to straighten your elbows all the way. Keep going. Roll your shoulder blades down your back like folded angel wings. And inhale up and relax and slowly come down. Head in your hands, face forward. Move your hips side to side. Don't hold on with your lower back. When you feel a lower back problem coming on, this is a great thing to do. And relax. Rest your head on your hands, face facing left. And now sit back on your heels and stretch, keeping your head up somewhat. And sit cross-legged again. Have your thumbs at the base of your pinky fingers. Your right arm is straight up in line with your ear. Your left arm 60 degrees. Lengthen your spine as you do long, deep breathing. If you do this one on a regular basis, you'll be taller than it says on your driver's license. It's also great for your kidneys and adrenals as well. So keep aspiring upwards and breathing deeply. You'll be glad you did. Don't let up, keep up. If you have any type of scoliosis, and everyone does to some extent, you'll find this very helpful. Inhale deeply and relax and meditate. Great work, everyone. If you caught the vibe, please like and subscribe.